And speaking about saving space, I want to thank FLEXIMOUNTS for partnering with me in today's video and helping me maximize my garage space with their overhead garage racks. Everything you need to be able to create storage overhead comes delivered right to your door in a single box. It comes with a step-by-step instruction and installation template that is easy to follow for an even easier installation. Its high-quality construction and integrated grid design is safe with a weight capacity for up to 600 pounds depending on the size you select. I personally will be storing away all of the stuff we don't regularly reach for or use often, like seasonal items, aka hunting gear, or my child's outgrown clothes that I can't get rid of. You could do the same and help these items remain waterproof and protected if you store them in totes. The rack is adjustable as well, so you can even stack multiple containers if you wanted to. I will leave the link in the description so you can check out FLEXIMOUNTS. I really think we did a great job at maximizing our space, and even more so with the added storage overhead from FLEXIMOUNTS. We can comfortably walk through the garage again and reach everything we need to, which is such a relief, and overall it's more functional and organized.